Because this is a difficult concept, I'm going to go ahead and do a few more of these on a separate video. So let's do this next one. So, again, we need to find two binomials, and since there's nothing in front of the x squared, both of these are just going to be x. When we get to another worksheet and there's something in front of the x squared, there's more to think about. But for right now, it's going to be x plus or minus something, x plus or minus something. Because this is a plus right here, we're going to find factors of 12 that when we add them equal 8. So we have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So 2 and 6, when we add them, equal 8. So we're going to put these right here. 2 and 6. And because positive 2 and positive 6 equals positive 8, both of these are going to be plus. But basically, when this is plus, both the signs are going to be the same. If this one is plus, they're going to be plus. If this one is minus, they're going to be minus. So let's take a look at the next one. Because this is plus, we're looking for factors of 6 that when we add them equal 7, or negative 7. So we have 1 and 6, 2 and 3. When we add 1 and 6, we get 7. But we actually need them to be negative 1 and negative 6 so that they equal negative 7. On this one, factors of 64 that when we add them equal 16. I may run out of room here, so let's see. 1 and 64, 2 and 32, 3 doesn't go into it, 4 goes into it, 16 times, 5 doesn't go into it, 6 doesn't go into it, 7, 8. So 8 and 8. When I add 8 and 8, I get 16. So those are going to be my two terms that I need. Plus 8, plus 8, and because it's positive 16, both of these are plus. I'm going to go ahead and leave that number 6 for you to do, and I'm going to do number 7. So because this is minus, we're looking for factors of 14 that when we subtract them equal 5. So we have 1 and 14, 2 and 7. And when we subtract 2 and 7, we get 5. So those are the ones we're looking for. Alright, so now 7 and negative 2 equals positive 5. If we did it the other way, we did negative 7 and positive 2, that would be negative 5. So we have negative 2 and positive 7. Alright, again here on number 8, we're looking for factors of 28 that when we add them equal 11 or negative 11. So 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 3, 4, and 7. So when I go 4 plus 7, that equals 11. So those are going to be my 2. But what do you think? Do you think we need positives or do we need negatives? We actually need negatives to add them together to equal negative 11. And I'm going to do one more here with you. We need factors of 3 that when we subtract them equal 2. One and 3 are the only factors. When I subtract them, they equal 2. So that works out. But do we have more negatives or more positives? We have more negatives. So it's going to be negative 3 and positive 1. You can think of that as negative 3 plus positive 1 equals negative 2.